Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the very important two words that we really use it in our daily life. This is Hala, welcome to Speak Real Arabic. The first word that we will talk about today is طلع. طلع has many meanings depending on the context. So for example, طلع من البيت. طلع من البيت means he left the house. So as we noticed, طلع we use it with he. So what about she left the house? In Arabic we say طلعت من البيت. طلعت من البيت. So this was the first meaning. The second one we use it with food. For example, الأكل طلع طيب, which means the food turned out delicious. We can also say it in another way, like الأكل طالع طيب. So this was the second one. Another meaning we use it with exam. For example, أحمد طلع منيح بالامتحان, which means Ahmed did a great exam. So as we noticed again, this is for he. If I want to say I did a great exam, I can say طلعت منيحة بالامتحان. For sure we use another verb with exam, but this is what we will focus on today. If we want to say it in negative way, we can say ما طلعت منيحة بالامتحان or طلعت مو منيحة بالامتحان. God forbid. Now another meaning. This one we use it if you were a student who got the highest grade in the university or in the school for sure. So let's say that Amjad got the highest grade in his university. In Arabic we say أمجد طلع الأول على جامعته, which is like he's the first in his university. Now let's say that Sarah got the highest grade in her university. In Arabic we say سارة طلعت الأولى على جامعتها. Another new meaning, طلعت الشمس. طلعت الشمس means the sun came up. We also use the verb طلع, طلعت in a case like كتبت مقال وطلع حلو كتير, which means like I wrote an article that turned out very nice. You can also use this verb if you took out something from your bag. So if I want to say I took out my mobile from my bag, in Arabic I can say طلعت موبايلي من شنطتي. شنطتي is my bag in Arabic. We also have an expression using this verb in Arabic, which is طلع من راسي. طلع من راسي, which is like get out from my mind. You can use it when, let's say that you don't want your male friend to affect your decision. You can tell him طلع من راسي, which means like stop talking, stop convincing me. Sometimes it's also like leave me alone. Another meaning, which is very kind and gentle use of this verb, طالعة حلوة or طالع حلو, which means you look great, you look beautiful. So let's say I want to tell Sarah that she looks great. In Arabic we say طالعة حلوة. You can also add كتير. طالعة حلوة كتير. If I want to tell Ghais, for example, that he looks great, in Arabic we say طالع حلو. طالع حلو. You look beautiful. And yes, sometimes we say beautiful for a man. So these whole meanings for one verb, which is طلع or طلعت. Now the second word, which we really use it so much, and it's referring to ing in English, is عم. عم. When we say عم, it gives you the meaning of something happening continuously or something happening now. After عم, we use infinitive. For example, عم احكي. عم احكي, which means I'm speaking. عم اقرأ, I'm reading. Now if we want to say he's speaking, عم يحكي. عم يحكي. She's speaking, عم تحكي. They're speaking, عم يحكوا. We're speaking, عم نحكي. So now using the same verb we talked about it today, let's say عم. For example, الأكل عم يطلع طيب, which gives us a meaning of that food is always turning out delicious. So this was our video for today. If you find it useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you very soon.